Welcome, family and friends. I am so glad that you're joining me on this final recipe for pinwheels. We had a series of 3, one being a veggie, one being a meaty, and this one is going to be spicy. So you have something for everyone at a party. And I start with the same base spread that I use for all 3 pinwheels, and it's an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of jarred pesto. Mix it up really well, and then I start spreading it onto a burrito-sized jalapeno cheddar tortilla. And when I'm spreading the cream cheese, I make sure I cover all the way out to the very edges of the tortilla. Once I get it covered, I will use 4 slices of pepper jack cheese and put on the burrito, and then I add some sweet peppers and I slice them real thin. Now you can add whatever kind of peppers you want, whether it be a jalapeno, whether it be a Scotch bonnet, whatever your taste buds can handle, or anybody else that's going to be at the party. And then on top of that, I add some chopped up hot cherry peppers, and then I roll it up really tight, and I will wrap it in saran wrap, and I'll refrigerate it for 2 to 12 hours. All of the tortilla wraps can be made well in advance, which would make it really nice when you're going to a party. So then I just cut it into 1-inch slices, and you can do it either before you go to the party or at the party because there's really no mess. So I hope you enjoyed this series of pinwheel appetizers and you get to make one of them, or maybe all 3 of them. And if you do, post it down in the comments section. I'd love to hear your comments. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.